gold coin!
You are so fast, Liam! Dad, look at my virtual score!
Not now, Liam. I am sending an email.
Mom, see my digital drawing!
Very nice, Lily, but Mom is working.
The power is out. My phone has no internet signal.
My laptop is dead too.
Oh no, the screen is black! Dad, it is too dark!
It's okay, kids. Just a little power blip.
We'll fix it.
What do we do now? There is no TV.
I am scared, Mom.
Do not worry, kids. We are safe. Thomas, where is the flashlight?
I cannot see anything. Whoops, I bumped into the chair.
I found some old candles. Let us light them.
The light is pretty.
But we have no games. It is so boring.
Maybe we can play a different game. Look at the wall. See my hand shadow? What is it?
It is the flying bird. I want to make one too.
Wow, cool. Me too.
Okay, watch closely.
Yay!
Let us build a big blanket fort. Grab some chairs and pillows.
I have the big blue blanket. I have the soft pillows.
Wow, this is a beautiful castle. Come inside, everyone.
It is very warm here. I like the candles.
Here are some sweet apples. We do not need a stove to eat.
This is actually more fun than my tablet.
We are sorry we were so busy. We love you so much.
We do not need a stove to eat.
This is more fun than my tablet.
The
Palace Day Yak.
You are right, Lily. My phone is off now.
Yes, no screens. Tonight is our special family adventure.
Let us tell a funny story. Liam, you go first. Once, a giant green frog jumped onto a sleeping cow. The cow must be very surprised.
Now, let us sing a sweet song before we sleep.
I am so sleepy, Mom.
Oh, sweetie.
Sleep inside our safe castle tonight. Good night, my team.
Good morning, Lily. Look at the bright sun. Good morning. I smell something delicious in the kitchen.
Pancakes are ready. Who wants a big sweet pancake?
Me, please. I am so hungry today.
From today, no phones during breakfast. Do you agree?
I agree. Look at my pancake face.
Whoa, that's so funny.
See? A perfect family face.
Ha! Your pancake has a funny strawberry smile. Let us play in the backyard after we eat. Yes, let's play. You cannot catch me, Lily. I am very fast. Wait for me. I am going to catch you.
They are so happy. We must play outside more.
I agree. It's perfect. Yes. Fresh air is better than a screen.
Let us plant this pretty flower in the dirt.
Yes. Fresh air is better than a screen.
Haha, you look like a funny pig.
Let us wash our hands with the cold water. Who wants to play a real board game tonight?
Me! Me! I will set up the game board. I rolled a 6. I am winning.
I am so glad the power went out yesterday.
It helped us see what is truly important. Emma, keep the box quiet. The children will hear him.
I hear him scratching. Liam, Lily, come to the living room. We have a big surprise.
A surprise? For our room? What is inside the big box, Dad?
Let's see, Lily.
Is it a toy?
All right, ready?
Yeah. Oh, he is a puppy. Welcome home, little one. He is so tiny and sweet. I love his yellow fur.
He's a little sweetheart, isn't he?
Let us name him Biscuit.
He looks like a little cookie.
Oh, that's perfect, sweet Biscuit.
Hey, Biscuit! Catch the ball, Biscuit! Run, run! Biscuit, come here! Play with me! I have a soft toy! Haha! He likes my red ball more, Lily. He does not listen to me. He only plays with Liam.
Lily, why are you not eating your dinner? Are you sick?
No, Mom. I am just tired. I want to sleep.
Okay, sweetie, let's get you to bed.
Biscuit is Liam's dog. He does not love me at all.
Liam, Lily is very sad. Biscuit only plays with you.
Really? But I want Biscuit to love Lily too.
Oh, sweetie, Biscuit has a big heart.
Give Biscuit's treats to Lily. Let her feed him.
That is a great plan, Dad. Let us try it tomorrow. Biscuit? Why are you sleeping on my feet? I told him you have the best treats, Lily. Oh, Biscuit, you do love me. We are best friends. Sit, Biscuit. Good boy is your favorite treat. Yay, Biscuit. Good job. See? He knows you are his family now, Lily.
They are working together so well. I am very proud.
Let us brush his soft fur together, Liam. He likes it. Oh no! Biscuit is shaking! Fur is flying everywhere! You have dog hair on your nose, Liam.
Who wants to take Biscuit for a walk in the park?
Me! Let's go! Sharing Biscuit is much more fun than playing alone. Let us run! Biscuit, follow us! Go, go, go! Wait! Stop, Biscuit! Sit! Wow! He listened to you! You are a great teacher! He did! Yay! Thank you, Liam. I want to teach him more tricks.
You are both very kind to him. He is a lucky puppy.
Yes. Love is not for one person. We must share it.
Good night, Biscuit. I will put my soft blanket over you. And here is your favorite red ball. Sweet dreams, Biscuit.
You both showed so much love today. I am so happy.
When we share, our family becomes stronger and happier.
We are a team. I love my family and Biscuit. Practice your English and share love with your family. Like and subscribe.